Retail therapy, retail therapy. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rufaro. If you're seeing me for the first time, thank you for passing by. I hope that you like what you see and you're here to stay. If you're a returning subscriber, shout out to you. You know how we do things here. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new content. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about how to place, today we're going to be talking about how to track your order on Zoppah.com. You've placed your order, you've paid for it, and now you're wondering what's next. Maybe it's been a few days, or it's been a few weeks, and you're getting anxious and you want to know how far your order is. Alright, so there are 3 things that I'm going to teach you today, like 3 ways on how you can track your order on Zoppah.com. I'd like to think that the owners of the system, of the website, they are working to sort of improve the tracking process so that you have a more detailed outline of what's going on from the time you place your order from the time to the time you receive it. I still think that at the moment it's very high level. We're not really getting into it, like into the details, into the crux of the matter. Yeah, the crux of the matter. But anyway, today I'm just going to take you through the 3 ways that I know of how to track your order on Zoppah.com, whether you've created an account or you don't have an account yet, but you've managed to place an order and pay for it. So let's get started. Okay, so the first method that I'm going to show you will help you to track your order once you're logged in into your account. If you haven't created an account on Zoppah.com, you need to make sure that you do that on your next order. And if you haven't watched my video where I was talking about how to place an order on Zoppah.com, you'll find that right at checkout, just before you pay and submit your order, there's a box that says create account. If you haven't clicked that box and you did not create an account, then you will not be able to use this method. All right, so first of all, you need to log in onto Zoppah.com and you enter the email that you used for your purchase to create your account and then the password. Once you've logged into your account, you'll find that on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find this menu here. And all you have to do is click orders. It will give you a list of all the orders that you've made so far in the system from the time that you created your account. And for you to track your order, you can just click the order number or you click view. As soon as you click view, it will automatically show you a detailed list of the products that you purchased, as well as any updates that might be there. So right now it's showing us that this order was placed on the 10th of June and is currently placed with the supplier. And these are the updates that have been shared so far. So this customer purchased a lot of items on this particular store. These items, these pairs of shoes or sandals are the ones that have been received so far. Okay, the reason why this information is important is because it gives you like an eagle eye view of the products that have been received. If there's any update on your order, just quickly go through and see which products have been received, because this information is important. You find that from this particular order, there's this one and this one that have not yet been received. And as a result, this order cannot be shipped to the customer until all the items have been received. So when you're making a purchase, even if it's from one store, it doesn't mean that all these items are from the same supplier in China. So the supplier for these sandals, if it's in South Africa, could be in Gauteng, this could be Cape Town, and this could be Limpopo. And all this information, all these orders need to be sent to Johannesburg before they're sent to you. If it's in Malawi, for example, this could be Mzuzu, this could be Lilongwe, and this could be Blantyre. And they all need to be sent to one place before it's sent to you. If it's in Zimbabwe, this could be Harare, this could be Bindura, this can be Bulawayo. And already I think you get the drift. So it's very important to take note of the products that you can see here. And then I guess you're able to make decisions as you go along to see which products are delaying your particular order. And just make sure that you got that information. The second method is for using a tracking link. If you don't have the Zoppah tracking link, you can just go on Google and type in Zoppah track order. Okay, let's try that. Zoppah track order. And you'll find that that's the first result that will pop out on your Google screen or in your Google search. Once you click this order, what you have to do is to enter the order number for the order that you want to track, as well as the email that you used when you were making your purchase. Once you've entered your email as well as your order number, this is what will pop up. Right now, we're looking at the same order that we were looking at in the first method. As you can see, the information is the same. It gives you the date when the order was placed, and so far the goods or the orders that have been received from the different suppliers. And again, the information is the same, so it gives you a snap eye view. But I would really recommend that you create an account so that you're able to have a list of all the orders that you've made on Zoppah.com, and it makes it easier for you to do it that way. If you decide to use any other shipping method that's not sea or air cargo, such as DHL, Aramex, PS, etc. If you're given a tracking number, go to this website that says Aftership Track and just click on their link. And you enter the tracking number that is sent to you by Zoppah, not the Zoppah order number, but a tracking number. It's completely different from the order number. Enter it here, and then enter the name of the courier that you decided. If it's Aramex, then type in Aramex. So you find that this website is like a global tracking system. It has every other courier that you can think of. You will find it here. So it actually helps you in terms of managing that anxiety. If you made an order using EMS, for example, and they give you a tracking number and you're not quite happy with the results that you're seeing when you log onto your Zoppah account, you can try entering that tracking number if you're given a tracking number, so that you can see and monitor the progress of your order by that particular courier. The third method that I'm going to show you is the one that is sent to you via email when you place your order. You get that email that says, "Thank you for your order, blah, 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 blah." And they give you this WhatsApp number. So just send a message to this WhatsApp number with your order number so that you can get updates via WhatsApp. But I have realized that the response times for this particular number are not that great. So I'd really recommend that you create an account or you use the tracking link. And then I guess if you really need more information, you can then use this number to make probably further inquiries with regards to the progress of your order. Okay, so the last thing that I'd like to quickly show you is how to leave a product review. Again, you cannot leave a product review if you do not have a Zoppah account. So you need to create an account when you make a purchase so that you're able to leave a product review. And you can only leave product reviews for products that you've actually purchased and received. So you go to orders and you click the order number, and then you just click the product here. Once you click the product here, it'll take you to the store. So this is the product that we purchased, this cute little bicycle helmet. If you go to reviews, if the store owner has activated the product for you to be able to leave reviews, you'll be able to do that. So you come here and you give a nice 5-star if you're happy with the product. And you write all the amazing things that you loved about that product, and then you click submit review. And that's it. That's how you leave a product review in Zoppah.com. And please leave product reviews. They're very important. They actually do help store owners to be able to make decisions on whether you guys are happy with the products that you're purchasing from them and whether they should actually keep sourcing products from those particular suppliers. And the information also helps any potential customers to be able to make decisions as well with regards to that particular product. And that's it. Okay, so I've shown you 3 ways on how to track your order on Zoppah.com. Please let me know in the comment section which process you think is the easiest. Do you prefer to just create a new account and just check your orders from there? Would you prefer to use the tracking link when you're on the go, or maybe WhatsApp? I don't know. Just let me know which process you think is the easiest. And yeah, I'll hope to see you on the next one. Oh, wait. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up, guys. That's how I know whether you've enjoyed the video or not. And yeah, do share the video with anyone that you think might actually benefit from this. And happy shopping, guys. Retail therapy, retail therapy. See you on the next one.